Bloody waters, every day. Y'all, today we're going to be doing some locks that I have never done before. I've seen it done, so I know what to buy and how to do it. I'm going to buy the rest of the materials right now. It's 8:54 in the morning. My client is coming at 10:30. We got to hurry up and, get these items and prep before she gets there so we can save some time. If you have a question. So we got what we needed, y'all. Some hair because I'm gonna do my own hair, but I also found the locks, but they are charging a lot for these locks at that store. It wasn't the beauty supply store I showed you. I had to go to like 2 different other ones. The first one didn't have it. The second one had it, but he said they ran out of colors. So I'm gonna go to another hair store, and I did, and they had it right here, right here. Can y'all see? Yeah, this is it. They are, look how much they are charging for this, y'all. $11.99. I think on Amazon it's way cheaper than that. I've used these locks on my own hair before. Check out that video if y'all haven't seen it. For this style, I think it's only gonna be 2 packs and a half that I'm gonna need to use. So I just got 3 packs. Now I have to go downstairs because I ordered some human hair loose wave from Amazon. So I'm gonna go downstairs and get that bundle. So let's go downstairs and do that. So yeah, y'all see this bundle? I was a little confused. I'm like, I know I ordered a 20-inch, so I had to open it up and see what it was talking about because why? So yeah, I ended up opening it up and it was exactly how it was supposed to look. Very bouncy, very thick, very full. Oh, just so gorgeous. I'm going to leave the link for this exact bundle that I used down below. I'm also going to link the locks that I used down below as well. Oh, and this pack too. You got to use the Afro spring hair so you can wrap around. I'm going to show y'all exactly what to do when you're trying to put a human hair curl or wave or whatever on the end of your locks. So the first thing you want to do is cut the locks off at the bottom because they already have their own curl. Then you're going to get the Afro hair and then some human hair. You're going to take the wrapping hair and the human hair at the top and wrap it. This is a little confusing on how to explain it, but you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Basically, just wrapping the human hair. Then I'm going to put the end of it up and then I'm going to wrap below it. Then after I wrap below it, I'm going to bring it back down and then wrap on top of it. Hopefully I explained that well, but you guys will see me do this a few times just so you can get the hang of it. But yeah, this is exactly how I added the human hair to the ends of the locks. The loose curl was cute to me. I noticed that I used a very thin piece. So the more I did this, the thicker and thicker of a piece of human hair I used started to look better to me. You can see this second piece is obviously thicker than the first piece I used for the human hair curl. I just think that other piece was a little bit too thin, but I guess you can, cut off as much or as little as you'd like for your preferred locks. For me, I wanted the ends to be a little bit thicker, so I went ahead and took a thicker piece of the bundle. Just so, I don't know, it looked very gradually going into a curl, But yeah, I'm just doing the same steps I did for the first lock. And if you see me hesitating a little bit, this is because it was my first time doing this. So I just was trying to wrap my mind around how to do everything, the right way. So I think this is one whole pack that I did. I think there's like 10 to 15 locks in one. I'm not sure, but so sorry y'all, my dishwasher is going. So I do like how the locks are coming out. This is a loose curl. I'm trying to figure out if I like the loose curl or not, or if I would like it better if it was like a deep, I don't know, like a deep wave. Loose curl is cute though. I don't know, I gotta see the whole thing done, but so far it is really pretty. I don't know. Y'all comment down below what y'all think would be cute. But if the loose curl is cute to y'all, comment that too. My client will be here at 1:30. It is now 12:29. So 2 packs and a half by 1 o'clock. So I got 30 minutes. So this is the loose curl wet. My client did bring her own like loose wave. I used a loose curl, but she also brought over her loose wave to use for her locks. I'm excited. Of course I'm recording it, but you already know that.
What you been watching lately?
Oh, I'm so sorry, girl. Did you watch? You like Bridgerton, right?
Oh, I watched that.
The Charlotte thing?
Yes, did you watch it?
It was good. I watched it. It was good. It gave off like a different spin of Bridgerton. And it gave it like a different like type of love. Like, you know?
Right. No, I fell
You can
asleep.
go back to it.
No, it's kind of down. I don't think I could do that right now.
Oh, okay. You want to watch this?
When she said I'm Venus or whatever the fuck.
Oh, yeah.
Come inside. I was like, oh my God, I'm dead.
So the parts I'm doing for this style are going to be like my medium large knotless. So I just ended up using the same like method I do for that as far as like the size of the braids. But just, you know, doing the same size but in lock form. So yeah, 2 rows beneath the ears. Above the ears, it'll be 4 rows. If you haven't seen my medium large knotless video, I'll link it somewhere so you guys can see. But yeah, this is just the size that I'm doing normally when I do my medium large knotless braids. So this client, I am using gel. I'm using basically Shine and Jam, the red jar, like my go-to. Yeah, I don't use any heavy like jams for her. Her hair doesn't need all that, but Shine and Jam will do the job just fine.
A woman is experiencing the sacred miracle of childbirth.
Olive, please help me. Just have to give him something better. Wait, you're not thinking. Yes.
So I moisturize my client's hair before starting off her locks. But the method I'm using today is just going to be basically like, you know, the locks are pre-made and then I use the Afro hair to go in the loop and then I crochet it into the root, which is what I do for basically all my soft lock videos. So if you haven't seen those two, I'll link that too just so you guys can see, but it's literally the same. I'm doing the same thing. The only thing for these, I wrap down pretty much all the way down. Like usually I just wrap past their natural hair. No, but for this style I wrapped all the way down so that the lock could be pretty much consistent, the same texture and everything all the way down. And for these locks, I'm going to be adding human hair like as I wrap down. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that just because I know some people are probably like, well, how are you going to add the human hair in there? Because I usually braid it in. But if you want to see the other method of how I usually just braid it in and stuff, and I use a different type of hair that makes it more like shiny, I'll link that video down below. It is for purchase. It is a course that I have. So there's 2 methods to these locks. Now the locks look kind of the same. The only difference is one of them is like shinier, so you just use different hair, and the method to getting the ends human hair curly and getting the curly hair also in the locks is different than what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to link that course down below. I say learn both methods and see which one you like the best. I'm going to link that down below. And if you made it this far in the video, make sure you are subscribed. Like, I understand a lot of people watch my videos, like, because somebody probably sent it to you. I mean, girl, if you don't really watch YouTube like that, you should still subscribe because you might need one of my videos for a later date. I might post a hairstyle that you need to learn how to do, and you're going to need me. So just subscribe to the channel, support, just a young black girl trying to make it in America. So support me, subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up too. That doesn't really, doesn't cost you nothing. So I don't think I really need to talk for the rest of this video just because everything else is going to be self-explanatory. How I insert the human hair is exactly how I inserted it on the bottom. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed. Enjoy the rest of this video, y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next one.
Are we really sure? Kind of love that lasted for so long. Still it do I really care? Hey, let's talk about the distractions going on elsewhere. Oh, yeah, footsteps, baby, in the dark. Oh, in the dark. Footsteps, baby, in the dark. Oh, in the dark. Looking down dark corridors and wonders what might have been. Something up ahead. Hey, should I keep this same direction or go back instead? I keep hearing footsteps, baby, in the dark. Oh, in the dark. I keep hearing footsteps, baby, in the dark. Oh, in the dark. Honey, let's start walking around. There's no loss to be found. Oh, you know I still care, I'm still there. What's the sense of going nowhere? Oh, you know I still care, I still care. Are we really sure? Kind of love that lasted for so long. Still it do I really care? Hey, let's talk about the distractions going on elsewhere. Oh, keep hearing footsteps, baby, in the dark. Oh, in the dark. Keep hearing footsteps, baby, in the dark. Oh, in the dark. really sure kind of love that lasted for so long. Still it do I really care? Hey, hey, let's talk about the distractions going on elsewhere.